the Barranquilla Zoo. Here, in a quiet lagoon, live a group of green birds, the Caribbean flamingos. This is their story. Did you know that a long time ago, in ancient Egypt, flamingos were sacred birds? People thought they were symbols of the sun god Ra because of their bright pink color. Here, the water, the rods, and the native plants make an ecosystem that was common in the region. This place has a shallow lagoon, small islands, stone edges, and trees that give shade and shelter. In this place live the Caribbean flamingos and other animals that share the same home. The flamingo area at the Barranquilla Zoo is a place where many animals share the same space without problems. The flamingos stay in groups and move together in the water. They move slowly in the lagoon and use their beaks to look for food. Some flamingos rest at the edge, often standing on one leg. Others clean their feathers to keep them in good condition. With them under the water live the Icotea turtles. These turtles are from the Caribbean wetlands. They swim slowly and often come out of the water to rest on the rocks or at the edge of the lagoon. The turtles are always in the lagoon and stay near the flamingos without disturbing them. On the edge of the lagoon walks the white heron. It moves slowly and looks at the water and the rods to find food. The heron stays near the flamingos but keeps some distance. The Orinoco goose walks around the lagoon. It is planted at the edge and moves near the water. Sometimes it gets close to the flamingos. It usually stays in its own space. The jaguar walks in the dry parts of the area. It walks slowly and stays away from the water. It prefers to be on dry land. Sometimes a female peacock comes close to the area. It walks around with curiosity. It doesn't stay with the flamingos or other water birds, but it shares the same place. Each animal has its own part of the space. They eat, rest, and move without problems with the other animals. This place shows how different animals can live together and use the space in different ways.
The flamingos and the Barranquilla Zoo spend much on the day in the lagoon. They walk slowly in the water and stay close to each other. This helps them to be safe and to find food more easily. They move slowly and with others. When they walk, they move the mud and the bottom with their feet to help find food. Flamingos eat by filtering water and mud. They use their care beaks to catch small animals like crustaceans, small mollusks, and tiny algae. These animals have natural pigment called carotenoids. The carotenoids give the flamingos their pink color. And the zoo, the keeper gives them food with carotenoids to keep their feathers healthy and bright. When flamingos eat, they put their beak upside down in the water and move in from side to side. They also move their feet to stir the mud and help release food. This way of eating happens all the time, with small breaks to rest. On the beaches and small islands, many flamingos stand still on one leg. This helps them keep the body warm when they rest. Cleaning their feathers is also very common. Flamingos use their beaks to clean and cover their feathers with oil. This oil helps to protect their feathers from wearing. All these actions are important for their life and health. Eating, cleaning, and resting are part of their daily life and health. The group stay healthy in the space that the zoo had for them. The flamingo area is not only a place to see animals, it is a model of the wetland that still exists in some parts of the Colombian Caribbean. Today, this place has problems because of loss of habitat, pollution, and human activity. The flamingos and the other animals in this place show the value of this area and the need to protect them. Every animal here has a role in the balance of the ecosystem. What happens in this lagoon is like nature, where all animals need each other and the road to live. Keeping the wetland safe is very important for these birds and for many other animals that need this state of the ecosystem. The Barranquilla Zoo wants people to see the natural reach of the region and understand ways we must protect them. Caribbean flamingos are a part of the natural range of the region. Their presence here is a reminder that we all have a role in conservation. Protecting wetlands and ecosystems around is important to these animals, and many others can continue to live inside and outside the zoo.